Well, if you think flooding along the Louisiana coast is bad now, just wait a few years.
Yeah, a new study from NASA warns there could be record flooding, possibly every day or two in some cities in the next decade, and you can blame it all on the moon.
A wobble in the moon could create dangerous waves for coastal communities. A NASA study found the moon's natural wobble as it orbits the Earth could create high tides that cause widespread flooding. The moon's tilt changes over its 18.6-year cycle.
هذا السد انهار تحت ضغط المياه الكبير، كما فجرت السلطات سداً آخر لتغيير مسار السيول بعد أن غطت المياه مقاطعة جانجاو. 500,000 شخص يعيشون في هذه المقاطعة ويعانون من انجرافات التربة ومن السيول. فهنا هاطل 200 ملم مكعب خلال ساعة واحدة فقط. سيول جرفت كل ما اعترض طريقها.
That wobble, in combination with climate change and sea level rise, could significantly increase high tide flooding across the globe and here in Louisiana.
It's a relatively small shift that has a relatively large impact on the tides that we see here on Earth.
Scientists have predicted this for the last 70 years, but it's actually happening more quickly and it's more intense than we realized.
Well, the storms, which have caused so much devastation, are part of a weather system which first caused flash flooding in the UK earlier this week. From America to Europe and Russia, extreme weather is breaking records.
كهذا السائق الذي يحاول فهم ما يدور من حوله بعدما اجتاحت المياه سيارته، وهذه المرأة التي لا حول لها بعدما جرفها التيار. أما هذه السيدة فقد نجت بأعجوبة على يد السكان. أما مترو المدينة فتحول إلى شلال مائي وكابوس. فيه علق العشرات من الركاب لأكثر من 4 ساعات قبل أن ينقذوا، فيما لقي 12 شخصاً حتفهم غرقاً.
These are the worst floods to hit this part of Western Germany in living memory.
There was so little time to run, people tell us. Look at the force of this flood.
The region has seen record high rainfall over the past 24 hours.
Oh my God! What's this here?
Towns and villages across Western Germany have been battered. Houses, businesses, livelihoods destroyed in a matter of hours. Thousands of people left homeless across this region.
Oh my God.
Heavy rain. Flash floods. Extraordinary results. Parts of the capital experienced torrential downpours yesterday. In northwest London, water cascaded from Hampstead Heath onto nearby Finchley Road. Cars were stranded under the Westway, the road which leads out of the city.
This fire is raging out of control in southern Oregon as millions of people across the western United States are hit by another round of scorching temperatures.
I'm on the west side. With the temperature in the town of Stovepipe Wells in California not falling below 42 degrees overnight, the highest daily minimum ever recorded in the Northern Hemisphere.
We've seen heat waves, right across the world, in fact, droughts in one location. And because they're all so much more intense, we can see that the atmosphere is energetic and possibly more energetic than we're predicting it in our climate models. And that's the thing that is really worrying.
Flash flooding is threatening millions of people. Just look at Newark, New Jersey today after storms rolled through there. And the West cannot catch a break.
The Tamarack fire in Northern California grew exponentially overnight.
Smoke from that fire in Oregon now clouding the skies over Utah. Extreme conditions leading to extreme concern.
Pushing these fires are back-to-back heat waves. This one is the 4th in 5 weeks.
The Boot Lake fire is now 7 times the size of San Francisco.
Tonight in Oregon, the largest wildfire in the country exploding in size. The fire in Oregon, just one of 70 wildfires raging across 12 states.